A very good afternoon to all the teachers, the students, and the dear parents. Now, today I'm going to show you a very small demo as to how to attend a meeting on MS Teams. The first thing that we have to do is we have to log in using the ID and password that is given to us from the school. I have this ID with me. Now, the first thing that I have to do as a parent is I'll go to a calendar and then I will find that we have a meeting there, right? It's starting at 2:45 and it's scheduled for half an hour. I'll start a bit early. I'll start a bit early there and I have joined the meeting now. Video is off. I'll join now. Now. Now the meeting is on. The meeting is on. Yes, absolutely. The meeting is on and now the teacher knows that I'm here, right? Fair now. I can now see we have few options here, right? Now the first is about this video. Turn camera on or off. Once you turn on your camera, the teacher will be able to see you. If it is off, definitely not. You can mute or unmute yourself. The same options are with the teachers also, right? They can also mute you. If you want to share anything, let us say if you have done any homework or if you just want to share your screen, you will just click on this share button. You will find what you have to share. We have a desktop, we have a window, or we have any PowerPoint or any whiteboard. Let us say if you have any query or if you want to show this whiteboard, uh, I'm clicking it there. Then you can find, then we have the live whiteboard here. Hi, you're about to join this whiteboard, and whatever we have the query we can write down here. Let it get uploaded. Start with the pen. Let us almost ready. Now it's ready. Now I can write anything. Let us say 2x upon 5 8 7, anything whatever we wish to ask we can write here. Similarly, the teachers can also use this. They are also having this access where they can answer here only. We can stop presenting. Fair. Now we have this option, a very interesting option of raising your hand. Raising your hand means um, if I have any query I can just raise my hand. My hand is raised. It's just like an offline classroom, right? Like in the classes also, the teacher says this only, that whenever you have any doubt you just raise your hand, and the teacher also knows on this platform that you have raised your hand. There she can unmute you and then you can ask your query if you have. Once your query is done, you can click this option again for lowering your hand. This is a small chat box where you can ask any query or anything you wish to ask from the teacher there itself. You just click it on and you can just write, hello sir, I have a doubt. Now I have written a question there, right? We can go back to the teacher's ID where I am using. I can answer it as sure please. Can you see there? It's whatever the teacher is writing, you are getting the answer there, right? Sure please, you can ask. Now this is how the teacher and the student can have a small conversation in between them. Whatever they wish to, they can ask. Closing it out, meeting chat. After this we have this people options, right? Show participants. Once we click it, we will get to know how many teachers and how many students are joined here. We can also invite anyone if we wish to. Let us say if one of my friend is not there, we can invite that particular person. Make it sure that that person should be from your organization only. Close this pane. Another option that I want to tell you is about this more actions, these three dots. We call it as three ellipses also, right? Show background effects. Background effects means, let us say for example, if I don't want to show anyone wherever I'm sitting, right? I can click this on show background effects. Whatever effect I want to give, let us say with this blur part, I can take this and I can preview. Now this is how I will look, right? You cannot see anything on the back. It's just there, but nothing on the back. Similarly, you can choose anything else. These are the options that you have to use once your teacher asks you. Otherwise, you're not going to do that, right? Please make it sure. Uh, this is just not for fun. This is just in case if your teacher wants to, or if he or she wants to see this, then only you should switch that on. Otherwise, it's not for fun. I can switch this off again. Thank you so much. Now we have turn on live captions. Now this is a very interesting topic. Now see how it works. Uh, Switch that on. Now whatever my teacher is going to speak, it will be reflected here. Whatever I'm saying, it will be reflected there on the screen. It means there are certain glitches, at times we see that the teacher is speaking but we are not able to hear because of the network issues. XYZ reasons are there, right? So these all get omitted once we switch on these options, right? You can see it's bang on target. It's bang on target. Whatever I'm saying is just getting reflected purely without any spelling mistakes. See this? Everything is fine. Absolutely each and every word is clear. Right. I'll switch that off, or it can work also. It can be there. That is fine. Now keypad is not required. Start recording. Once you click this, your recording will be started, right? Uh, Although this option may or may not be available to you, I'm not sure whether this is available for students or not. It actually depends on what the teacher has given to you. If he or she has given the right to you, that's fine. If not, then it won't be available. I think that's the interface that is enough for any student or any parent to start the meeting or to attend the meeting on this on this MS Teams. For any further queries, you can either reply me back on my YouTube channel, or you can ask your homeroom teachers or the classroom teachers, and you can also mail me. I will revert you back as early as possible. Thank you. Stay healthy, stay safe.